So our performance control system is based on the Delic Oratis intercom system, which is controlled by media controller. Our system has a few screens for, at the left-hand side we have a screen for adjustment of the console and for adjustment of the system. So we have different user interfaces. First of all, we have a user interface for show state, and these show states do switching in the background of different system parts. You can create show files, and you can save and recall show files, so that means the setting of the whole system can be stored and recalled for the same show if you have the same show again later on. We have video control, we have camera control, we have a very easy way to assign hardware buttons with functionality. In this case, for example, we talk about the paging zones. We have a number of available paging zones, and we have buttons here. There's a very easy way to adjust paging zones to paging buttons. You can choose a button which is available as a hardware LCD button on the console, and you can assign different zones to this button. And in the next step, you can label the button technicians, for example. And now the label is on the button, and this button is now a group for technicians which contains these 5 zones which I assigned before. We have a sequence control. The sequence control is for setting a show time. And if I start the sequence now, a counter goes down, and 30 minutes before show, the first announcement gets automatically played out in the front of house. So then the next sequence is 10 minutes before show, 5 minutes before show, and when the show starts. At the right-hand side we have another screen, and this one is for show control. So here we can set several tasks for the show, and each task can have a several setting of the console or a several setting of the whole system. For example, cue lights can be set, can be switched on, paging zones can be chosen, a camera setting can be done, and this one can be stored to a queue number. And at the end, if you have a completed show file, you can set the scene number, and you can activate the scene number and can run through the show using these several steps. So we can adjust the height of the console for standing operation or for sitting operation. So here we have a numeric cue light or numeric cue light system. There is a numeric cue lights in the backstage area, and our numeric cue light consists of 4 tickets. So the left 3 tickets is for the scene numbers, beginning at 0 and up to 999. And the right ticket is for additional scenes which can be included afterwards without changing the script. There is a keypad to control these numeric key lights, and the keypad acts like following. You can set a scene number, and when you push the activation button, the scene number gets activated and is available on the numeric cue light. You can set each ticket of the scene number using these plus-minus buttons, and there is one additional standard cue light, red and green, which also can be activated using these buttons on the keypad here.